The Turkiye Burslari Scholarship is a government-funded program that provides full scholarships to international students who want to study in Turkey. The program covers tuition fees, accommodation, health insurance, monthly stipend, airfare, among others. The deadline for applications for the 2023 Turkiye Scholarship was February 20th. However, due to the great interest in the program, the deadline has been extended until 11:59 p.m. on Friday, February 24, 2023. This was confirmed from the official Twitter page of the Turkiye Burslari Scholarship. What does this mean for you? If you haven't applied yet, you still have time to do so. You can submit your application until February 24th at 23:59 Turkiye local time. And if you've already applied, you can still edit or delete your application if you need to make any changes. To be eligible for the scholarship, you need to be under 21 years of age for undergraduates, 30 for master's program, and 35 for PhD programs before February 24th. And if you're an undergraduate, master's, or PhD student, you can still apply for the scholarship. This extension also gives you more time to research universities that don't require English proficiency and offer your desired course of study. Make sure to take advantage of this opportunity to find the best fit for your academic and personal goals. Lastly, don't forget to upload your reference letter before the new deadline. This could make a big difference in your application and give you an edge over other applicants. Go to your school or college or meet people that can attest to your performances and character to write a letter of recommendation for you. Do not wait until the last minute. We strongly recommend that you complete your application as soon as possible. To help you get started, check out our step-by-step guide for the Turkiye Burslari Scholarship. Our guide provides an easy and comprehensive approach to each application step. You can find the link in the description below or click on the pop-up card above. Studying in Turkey can offer you many benefits, such as exposure to a new culture, meeting new people, and learning from world-renowned faculty members. Additionally, Turkey is home to some of the world's most historic sites and natural wonders, such as the Hagia Sophia and the Cappadocia region. Being a Turkiye Burslari Scholarship recipient also gives you the opportunity to participate in various cultural events, language courses, and internship programs, which can enrich your academic and personal experiences. Turkey is a country that boasts a rich history and diverse culture, and it offers a unique opportunity to explore the intersection of East and West. By studying in Turkey, you can gain a unique perspective on the world and develop skills and knowledge that can help you stand out in your future career. So what are you waiting for? Apply for the Turkiye Burslari Scholarship today and take the first step towards an exciting educational experience in Turkey.